Are you feeling overwhelmed, tired, or like the weight of the world is on your shoulders? What if I told you that just a few simple daily habits could instantly lower your stress and help you feel calmer, starting today? Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Health and Wellness Integrated Services, the place where we dive into practical ways to make life better, happier, and less stressful. I'm Dr. Eva, and today, we're talking about something we all deal with, stress. Whether it's work deadlines, family chaos, or just the constant buzz of life, stress can feel like an uninvited guest that just won't leave. Whether you live in New York, Lagos, Mumbai, London, or Sydney, stress is part of modern life. But the good news is, you can fight back with small, simple daily habits that instantly bring relief. You don't need a fancy spa day or a week-long vacation to feel better. Today, I'm sharing simple daily habits you can start right now to relieve stress instantly. These are practical, science-backed tips that fit into even the busiest schedules. So, grab a coffee, get comfy, and let's dive into how to kick stress to the curb. Oh, and before we start, hit that like button if you're ready to feel calmer, and subscribe so you don't miss our weekly tips for living your best life. Alright, let's get into it. Why stress relief matters. Before we jump into the habits, let's talk about why stress relief is so important. Stress is your body's natural response to pressure, helpful in short bursts, harmful when chronic. Relatable example: deadlines at work, raising kids, financial worries, or even constant notifications on your phone. Why relieving stress daily matters: reduces risk of high blood pressure, improves sleep, boosts mood, and protects your immune system. Stress isn't just a bad mood, it messes with your body and mind. It can spike your cortisol levels, mess with your sleep, and even make you feel physically sick. The American Psychological Association says chronic stress is linked to everything from anxiety to heart problems. But here's the thing, you don't have to let stress run the show. By building small habits into your day, you can lower that stress response and feel more in control. These habits aren't about overhauling your life, they're about tiny changes that add up to big results. Ready to hear them? Let's go! 5 simple daily habits to relieve stress instantly. Habit 1, the 4-7-8 breathing technique. First up, let's talk about breathing. I know, you're like, I'm already breathing, what's the big deal? But hear me out, how you breathe can change everything. The 4-7-8 breathing technique is like a reset button for your nervous system. It's super simple, takes just a minute, and you can do it anywhere: your car, your desk, even in line at the grocery store. Here's how it works. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. Repeat 3 to 4 times. This technique activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which tells your body, hey, it's okay to chill out. I tried this the other day when I was stuck in traffic and felt my stress just melt away. Actionable tip: set a reminder on your phone to do 4-7-8 breathing twice a day, maybe once in the morning and once before bed. It's like a mini vacation for your brain. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this or if you're gonna give it a go. Habit 2, the 5-minute gratitude journal. Next up is gratitude journaling. Now, don't roll your eyes, this isn't about writing a novel or being fake positive. Studies, like one from UC Berkeley, show that writing down things you're grateful for can lower stress and boost your mood in just a few minutes. Here's how to do it. Grab a notebook or even your phone's notes app. Write down 3 things you're grateful for today. They can be small, like I had a great cup of coffee or the sun was shining. Take a moment to really feel the gratitude. I started doing this every morning, and it's like flipping a switch, it shifts your focus from what's stressing you out to what's going right. Pro tip: keep your journal by your bed so it's easy to do first thing in the morning or before you sleep. If you're consistent for a week, you'll notice a difference. What's one thing you're grateful for today? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to hear. Habit 3, the power of a quick stretch. Alright, habit number 3, stretching. When you're stressed, your body holds on to tension, think tight shoulders, clenched jaw. A quick 5-minute stretch can release that and make you feel lighter instantly. You don't need to be a yoga pro. Try this. Roll your shoulders back 5 times. Do a gentle neck stretch by tilting your head side to side. Reach your arms up, take a deep breath, and bend slightly backward. The science backs this up. Movement, even gentle stretching, releases endorphins, which are your body's natural stress busters. I do this during my lunch break, and it's like hitting the refresh button. Actionable tip: find a YouTube channel with 5-minute stretch routines. There are tons of free ones out there. Or, if you're at work, just stand up and do a quick stretch by your desk. Who's with me on this? Let's make stretching a daily thing. Habit 4, the 1-minute digital detox. Okay, habit 4 is a game changer, the 1-minute digital detox. Our phones are amazing, but they're also stress machines, constant notifications, emails, social media. A study from the University of British Columbia found that cutting down screen time can lower anxiety almost instantly. Here's the deal. For 1 minute, put your phone down. Like, actually down, face down, out of sight. Close your eyes or look out a window. Just breathe and notice your surroundings. This tiny break gives your brain a chance to unplug. I do this when I'm feeling overwhelmed, and it's like a mental palate cleanser. Pro tip: try this every time you feel that urge to doom scroll. You can even stack it with the 4-7-8 breathing for double the stress relief. Anyone else addicted to their phone? Tell me in the comments how you're gonna sneak in a digital detox. Habit 5, sip and savor a warm drink. Last but not least, habit 5, sip and savor a warm drink. This is my favorite because it's so cozy and simple. Whether it's tea, coffee, or even warm water with lemon, taking a moment to sip something warm can be incredibly calming. The act of slowing down to enjoy a drink engages your senses, the warmth of the mug, the smell, the taste. Plus, drinks like chamomile tea have compounds that can reduce anxiety, according to research from the National Institutes of Health. Here's how to make it a habit. Pick a time of day, maybe mid-afternoon when stress peaks. Make your drink, sit down, and focus on it for just 5 minutes. No phone, no distractions. I love my evening peppermint tea ritual. It's like a hug in a mug. What's your go-to drink? Share it in the comments. Wrapping up, how to make these habits stick. Alright, let's recap those 5 habits. The 4-7-8 breathing technique to calm your nervous system. A 5-minute gratitude journal to shift your mindset. A quick stretch to release physical tension. A 1-minute digital detox to unplug. Sipping a warm drink to savor the moment. The key to making these stick? Start small. Pick one habit and try it for a week. Once it feels natural, add another. You don't need to do all of them at once, small steps lead to big changes. And here's a little challenge for you. Try one of these habits today and let me know how it goes in the comments. I'm rooting for you. That's it for today's episode of Health and Wellness. I hope you're feeling inspired to try these simple habits and take control of your stress. If you loved this episode, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs some calm in their life, and hit that subscribe button for more practical tips every week. Got a stress relief hack of your own? Drop it in the comments, I'm all ears. And if you want to dive deeper, check out the links in the description for more resources on stress management. Until next time, take a deep breath, keep it simple, and we'll see you soon. Stay stress-free, friends. Peace out.